Hi, I'm Mike Draper, Turf Care Operations Manager.
Hi, I'm John, one of the owners of Urban Landworks. Today we will be showing you our service estimate and how to accept services with Urban Landworks for the upcoming. Let me get spun around here and I will walk you through the process on my computer. So once you've received the email from us, you will see that the email contains a PDF attachment of your quote, and there's a link here to click to view your proposal. This is where you want to go to view your proposal. You can also view it there, but to accept online and sign off on the services you'd like, you want to go here through this link. So once you have the link open, you will be brought to this page here, which is your estimate. And you can see here that we have a variety of different packages. This is where you're going to want to start. You're going to start by picking one of these packages, and then you can add on any of the other services a la carte to these packages, essentially building your own package if you would like. If you just want to do a basic lawn mowing package, you can pick any of the other services to add on a la carte. In the basic turf package, it's basically your weekly mowing and blowing and trimming. You have your standard package, which is your weekly mowing, a spring cleanup, and one fall cleanup. In your premium package, you have weekly mowing, spring cleanup, 2 fall cleanups, your fertilizer package of 5 applications, and an aeration and overseed. In the yearly platinum, it's the same package as the premium, but you're just adding your snow plowing for the year. Now, to select your packages, what you'll do, or your services, you will come down here and you will select the services that you want. And then if you would like to prepay for the services at the beginning of the season, we do offer a 5% discount. So in this case, I'm just gonna select basic turf, and I wanna do a fall cleanup, one-time fall cleanup. And you'll scroll down to the bottom here, and it's got all our descriptions and details of our services. And at the bottom, you will just click on this blue button, and you can digitally sign with your mouse. And you need to type in your name here. Hit save. It's going to ask you why you selected us. And then accept proposal. So it'll tell you you're all finished. What'll happen? Signed off estimate from you. You'll receive a confirmation email with our client portal information. There you'll be able to log in and set up your account online, and you'll be able to enter your debit, credit card, or ACH payment information to pay your monthly invoices.
Again, I'm Mike Draper. Thank you for signing up with Urban Landworks. From here on out, I'll be your point of contact. If you have any questions, concerns, please feel free to reach out to me via email or cell phone at 952-201-6972.